Welcome back to Skyface. I want to share you the latest version and how to create your project with these web apps. First, there is no project list on it, and we will create project list by clicking on the icon of project and add projects. Perhaps we can name it pass in company, we name it Mahir Air, and we pick baseline items category by pass in. MSN we put a dummy MSN 5551111, variable number with PN 1111, line number 111. Engine we have to separate it with commas, and also we can input APU, and then we save it, and then these web apps will create your initiate project on it, and we can see there is no item list at the beginning, but we can see every compliance that needed to fulfill your pass-in projects. I make it short. I will make a short tutorial, and I will continue to second tutorial how to create your own baseline based on your requirements.